每天练习英语听、说、练，与我们一起提升你的语言技能。完成后，在我们的应用程式里多加练习。免费，连结在下方。开始练习吧。
This is a map of the world. This is a map of the world.
这是一张世界地图。
This is a map of the world. This is a map of the world. I see the continents on this map. I see the continents on this map.
我在这张地图上看到各州。
I see the continents on this map. I see the continents on this map. The globe shows Earth as a sphere. The globe shows Earth as a sphere.
地球仪显示地球是球体。
The globe shows Earth as a sphere. The globe shows Earth as a sphere. Mia studies a map in class. Mia studies a map in class.
Mia 在课堂上研究地图。
Mia studies a map in class. Mia studies a map in class. Lucas points to the equator on the globe. Lucas points to the equator on the globe.
Lucas 指住地球仪上的赤道。
Lucas points to the equator on the globe. Lucas points to the equator on the globe. Priya draws a simple map of her town. Priya draws a simple map of her town.
Priya 画出她的小镇的简单地图。
Priya draws a simple map of her town. Priya draws a simple map of her town. Omar uses a legend to read the map. Omar uses a legend to read the map.
Omar 用图例来阅读地图。
Omar uses a legend to read the map. Omar uses a legend to read the map. Hannah checks the scale to find distance. Hannah checks the scale to find distance.
Hannah 查看比例尺以测出距离。
Hannah checks the scale to find distance. Hannah checks the scale to find distance. Jack looks for the compass rose. Jack looks for the compass rose.
Jack 在找罗盘玫瑰。
Jack looks for the compass rose. Jack looks for the compass rose. Sophia finds the north arrow on the map. Sophia finds the north arrow on the map.
Sophia 找到地图上的北向箭头。
Sophia finds the north arrow on the map. Sophia finds the north arrow on the map. Daniel traces the border of a country. Daniel traces the border of a country.
Daniel 描出一个国家的边界。
Daniel traces the border of a country. Daniel traces the border of a country. Aisha colors the ocean's blue. Aisha colors the ocean's blue.
Aisha 把海洋涂成蓝色。
Aisha colors the ocean's blue. Aisha colors the ocean's blue. Ben marks the mountains in brown. Ben marks the mountains in brown.
Ben 把山脉标成棕色。
Ben marks the mountains in brown. Ben marks the mountains in brown. Lily circles the capital city. Lily circles the capital city.
Lily 把首都圈起来。
Lily circles the capital city. Lily circles the capital city. Carlos follows the river on the map. Carlos follows the river on the map.
Carlos 顺住地图上的河流看过去。
Carlos follows the river on the map. Carlos follows the river on the map. The city is north of the lake. The city is north of the lake.
这座城市在湖的北边。
The city is north of the lake. The city is north of the lake. The beach is south of the hotel. The beach is south of the hotel.
海滩在饭店的南边。
The beach is south of the hotel. The beach is south of the hotel. The museum is east of the park. The museum is east of the park.
博物馆在公园的东边。
The museum is east of the park. The museum is east of the park. The school is west of the library. The school is west of the library.
学校在图书馆的西边。
The school is west of the library. The school is west of the library. Go north for 3 blocks. Go north for 3 blocks.
向北走3个街区。
Go north for 3 blocks. Go north for 3 blocks. Walk south to the bus stop. Walk south to the bus stop.
往南走到公车站。
Walk south to the bus stop. Walk south to the bus stop. Drive east until you reach the bridge. Drive east until you reach the bridge.
开车往东，直到抵达桥为止。
Drive east until you reach the bridge. Drive east until you reach the bridge. Turn west at the next corner. Turn west at the next corner.
在下一个路口往西转。
Turn west at the next corner. Turn west at the next corner. Is the island to the north? Is the island to the north?
那座岛在北边吗？
Is the island to the north? Is the island to the north? Are the hills to the west? Are the hills to the west?
那些丘陵在西边吗？
Are the hills to the west? Are the hills to the west? The farm lies just south of town. The farm lies just south of town.
那座农场就在镇子的南边。
The farm lies just south of town. The farm lies just south of town. The airport is far to the east. The airport is far to the east.
机场在很远的东边。
The airport is far to the east. The airport is far to the east. The village is west of the river. The village is west of the river.
这个村庄在河的西边。
The village is west of the river. The village is west of the river. The palace stands north of the square. The palace stands north of the square.
宫殿位于广场的北边。
The palace stands north of the square. The palace stands north of the square. Which way is north on this map? Which way is north on this map?
这张地图上的北方在哪一边？
Which way is north on this map? Which way is north on this map? The wind comes from the east today. The wind comes from the east today.
今天的风从东边吹来。
The wind comes from the east today. The wind comes from the east today. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west.
太阳在西边落下。
The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east.
太阳在东边升起。
The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. We live in the northern hemisphere. We live in the northern hemisphere.
我们住在北半球。
We live in the northern hemisphere. We live in the northern hemisphere. They sail toward the southern coast. They sail toward the southern coast.
他们航向南部海岸。
They sail toward the southern coast. They sail toward the southern coast. Africa is a large continent. Africa is a large continent.
非洲是一个很大的洲。
Africa is a large continent. Africa is a large continent. Asia has many countries. Asia has many countries.
亚洲有许多国家。
Asia has many countries. Asia has many countries. Europe lies mostly in the north. Europe lies mostly in the north.
欧洲大部分位于北半球。
Europe lies mostly in the north. Europe lies mostly in the north. North America is my home continent. North America is my home continent.
北美洲是我的家乡所在的州。
North America is my home continent. North America is my home continent. South America has the Amazon River. South America has the Amazon River.
南美洲有亚马逊河。
South America has the Amazon River. South America has the Amazon River. Antarctica is very cold and icy. Antarctica is very cold and icy.
南极洲非常寒冷且多冰。
Antarctica is very cold and icy. Antarctica is very cold and icy. Australia is both a country and a continent. Australia is both a country and a continent.
澳洲既是一个国家，也是一个大洲。
Australia is both a country and a continent. Australia is both a country and a continent. The Pacific Ocean is very wide. The Pacific Ocean is very wide.
太平洋非常宽广。
The Pacific Ocean is very wide. The Pacific Ocean is very wide. The Atlantic Ocean is between the Americas and Europe. The Atlantic Ocean is between the Americas and Europe.
大西洋位于美洲与欧洲之间。
The Atlantic Ocean is between the Americas and Europe. The Atlantic Ocean is between the Americas and Europe. The Indian Ocean is south of India. The Indian Ocean is south of India.
印度洋在印度的南边。
The Indian Ocean is south of India. The Indian Ocean is south of India. The Arctic Ocean is near the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean is near the North Pole.
北冰洋靠近北极。
The Arctic Ocean is near the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean is near the North Pole. The Southern Ocean circles Antarctica. The Southern Ocean circles Antarctica.
南大洋环绕住南极洲。
The Southern Ocean circles Antarctica. The Southern Ocean circles Antarctica. Zoe learns the 7 continents. Zoe learns the 7 continents.
Zoe 学习7大洲。
Zoe learns the 7 continents. Zoe learns the 7 continents. Leo names the 5 oceans. Leo names the 5 oceans.
Leo 说出5大洋的名称。
Leo names the 5 oceans. Leo names the 5 oceans. Ava locates North America on the globe. Ava locates North America on the globe.
Ava 在地球仪上找出北美洲。
Ava locates North America on the globe. Ava locates North America on the globe. What is the capital of France? What is the capital of France?
法国的首都是哪里？
What is the capital of France? What is the capital of France? Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France.
巴黎是法国的首都。
Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. What is the capital of Japan? What is the capital of Japan?
日本的首都是哪里？
What is the capital of Japan? What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Tokyo is the capital of Japan.
东京是日本的首都。
Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Mexico City is in Mexico. Mexico City is in Mexico.
墨西哥城在墨西哥。
Mexico City is in Mexico. Mexico City is in Mexico. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Ottawa is the capital of Canada.
渥太华是加拿大的首都。
Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Cairo is the capital of Egypt.
开罗是埃及的首都。
Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Cairo is the capital of Egypt. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India.
新德里是印度的首都。
New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Canberra is the capital of Australia.
坎培拉是澳洲的首都。
Canberra is the capital of Australia. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil.
巴西利亚是巴西的首都。
Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Berlin is the capital of Germany.
柏林是德国的首都。
Berlin is the capital of Germany. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Rome is the capital of Italy. Rome is the capital of Italy.
罗马是意大利的首都。
Rome is the capital of Italy. Rome is the capital of Italy. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Madrid is the capital of Spain.
马德里是西班牙的首都。
Madrid is the capital of Spain. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya.
奈洛比是肯亚的首都。
Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. Beijing is the capital of China. Beijing is the capital of China.
北京是中国的首都。
Beijing is the capital of China. Beijing is the capital of China. London is the capital of the United Kingdom. London is the capital of the United Kingdom.
伦敦是英国的首都。
London is the capital of the United Kingdom. London is the capital of the United Kingdom. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Moscow is the capital of Russia.
莫斯科是俄罗斯的首都。
Moscow is the capital of Russia. Moscow is the capital of Russia. What country is this city in? What country is this city in?
这座城市在哪个国家？
What country is this city in? What country is this city in? Elena points to Chile on the map. Elena points to Chile on the map.
Elena 指住地图上的智利。
Elena points to Chile on the map. Elena points to Chile on the map. Raj finds Peru in South America. Raj finds Peru in South America.
Raj 在南美洲找到秘鲁。
Raj finds Peru in South America. Raj finds Peru in South America. A mountain is a high area of land. A mountain is a high area of land.
山是地势高的陆地。
A mountain is a high area of land. A mountain is a high area of land. A hill is lower than a mountain. A hill is lower than a mountain.
丘陵比山低。
A hill is lower than a mountain. A hill is lower than a mountain. A valley lies between hills or mountains. A valley lies between hills or mountains.
山谷位于丘陵或群山之间。
A valley lies between hills or mountains. A valley lies between hills or mountains. A plain is a flat area of land. A plain is a flat area of land.
平原是平坦的地区。
A plain is a flat area of land. A plain is a flat area of land. A plateau is a high flat area. A plateau is a high flat area.
高原是地势高而平坦的地区。
A plateau is a high flat area. A plateau is a high flat area. A river flows to a lake or sea. A river flows to a lake or sea.
河流流入湖泊或海洋。
A river flows to a lake or sea. A river flows to a lake or sea. A lake is water surrounded by land. A lake is water surrounded by land.
湖泊是被陆地包围的水域。
A lake is water surrounded by land. A lake is water surrounded by land. A desert is dry with little rain. A desert is dry with little rain.
沙漠乾燥且降雨稀少。
A desert is dry with little rain. A desert is dry with little rain. A forest has many trees. A forest has many trees.
森林有许多树木。
A forest has many trees. A forest has many trees. A jungle is a thick forest in the tropics. A jungle is a thick forest in the tropics.
丛林是热带地区浓密的森林。
A jungle is a thick forest in the tropics. A jungle is a thick forest in the tropics. A beach is next to the sea. A beach is next to the sea.
海滩在海边。
A beach is next to the sea. A beach is next to the sea. A coast is land along the ocean. A coast is land along the ocean.
海岸是沿着海洋的陆地。
A coast is land along the ocean. A coast is land along the ocean. A bay is water partly surrounded by land. A bay is water partly surrounded by land.
海湾是被陆地部分包围的水域。
A bay is water partly surrounded by land. A bay is water partly surrounded by land. A gulf is a large bay. A gulf is a large bay.
海湾 Gulf 是较大的湾 Bay。
A gulf is a large bay. A gulf is a large bay. A strait is a narrow water passage. A strait is a narrow water passage.
海峡是狭窄的水道。
A strait is a narrow water passage. A strait is a narrow water passage. A delta forms at a river's mouth. A delta forms at a river's mouth.
三角洲形成于河口。
A delta forms at a river's mouth. A delta forms at a river's mouth. A waterfall is water that falls over a cliff. A waterfall is water that falls over a cliff.
瀑布是从峭壁上倾泻而下的水流。
A waterfall is water that falls over a cliff. A waterfall is water that falls over a cliff. A volcano can erupt with lava. A volcano can erupt with lava.
火山会喷发出熔岩。
A volcano can erupt with lava. A volcano can erupt with lava. An island is land surrounded by water. An island is land surrounded by water.
岛屿是被水包围的陆地。
An island is land surrounded by water. An island is land surrounded by water. A peninsula is land with water on three sides. A peninsula is land with water on three sides.
半岛是三面环水的陆地。
A peninsula is land with water on three sides. A peninsula is land with water on three sides. A harbor is a safe place for ships. A harbor is a safe place for ships.
港口是船只的安全停泊处。
A harbor is a safe place for ships. A harbor is a safe place for ships. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley.
峡谷是又深又狭窄的谷地。
A canyon is a deep, narrow valley. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley. A glacier is slow-moving ice. A glacier is slow-moving ice.
冰河是移动缓慢的冰体。
A glacier is slow-moving ice. A glacier is slow-moving ice. A shore is the edge of a lake or sea. A shore is the edge of a lake or sea.
岸边是湖或海的边缘。
A shore is the edge of a lake or sea. A shore is the edge of a lake or sea. A cave is a hole in rock. A cave is a hole in rock.
洞穴是岩石中的洞。
A cave is a hole in rock. A cave is a hole in rock.
感谢观看，订阅我们的频道并开启通知，及时获取新视频，持续你的英语学习之旅。